Hi, this is Jen at Making the Photo. Today we're going to go through the Midjourney mobile app. And yes, there's a Midjourney mobile app. It's actually an app designed for Niji-journey, but you can make Midjourney images on it too. So let's start by downloading the app from either the Apple Store or Google Play. And once you open it, we're going to start by logging in. Now, if you're new to Midjourney or Niji-journey, type Get Started. One thing you'll notice is you've got a trial. You've received 20 free generations. That's right, Midjourney free trials are back, but only in the Nijijourney app. Now, if you're new to Midjourney, click on the trial to see your options. It looks like Nijijourney on the app lets you have a mini plan, which is a very limited plan, but it's also cheaper per month. And then the basic plan, standard plan, and pro plan are similar to what you get on Niji or Midjourney. So if you already have a Midjourney account, you're going to want to bind your account. That is, you're going to want to log in with your Discord handle, and that allows any images that you create on the Midjourney app or the Nijijourney app to show up in your Midjourney gallery. So Midjourney's been talking about style preference tests a lot during office hours, and we have one here in the Nijijourney app. So it's going to send you through a preference test. You decide which image you like the best, and then click Continue. There's a handful of these to go through. Some of them are people, some of them are scenes. And once you're finished, Niji will tell you what your favorite style is. Remember, the Niji styles are default, expressive, cute, scenic, or original. And you can use this style as your preference, as your default preference. Let's make our first image. Click the Imagine button at the bottom of the screen. And now type in the box what you want to see. Just like Nijijourney and Midjourney, it will make 4 images for you. Click Upscale if you want to pull the image out of the grid. You can also make weak variations or strong variations of your image. You can click the heart button to favorite the image or download the image to your phone. Once you upscale an image, you're going to get more options. You'll have weak and strong variations again, but you'll also have zoom. You'll also be able to use the pan tools. There are some tools underneath the prompt box that you'll want to be aware of. We're by default in Nijijourney version 5. You also have the option to create in Nijijourney 4 or Midjourney 5 or Midjourney 4. The next button controls your aspect ratios. You don't have all the aspect ratios, but you have a good selection. The setting button controls your mode, whether you're in fast or slow or turbo, and also you can toggle back and forth between stealth and public. The other button lets you add an image prompt. You can choose an image from your phone and add it to a prompt. Now that we've created some images, let's go to the feed. And this works just like the feed in Midjourney or Nijijourney on the website, and you can see what other creators are doing. You can also see this on the Imagine tab. Open up the community and you'll see images created in real time. It's a live feed. You can grab an image out of the live feed and play with it yourself. So let's play with this one. So click on it, open it up in your phone. You can copy the ID or simply upscale it, or copy the prompt. And now it's in your feed and you have the new prompt to work with. And if you click on the You button, this is all about you and your gallery. So you'll see the images that you've made, your hottest images, your newest images, your oldest images. And if you favorited an image, it'll show up there as well. Now the mobile app has some limited parameters. We saw that with the aspect ratios, but have no fear, you can still use the dash parameters when you create. So let's add a bit more chaos or variety to our images and some style. You can even use the weird parameter. Just copy the prompt and type weird and a number from 0 to 3000. So you can use your favorite parameters in the app, but you can't create some of the less common aspect ratios yet. If you type --AR and 1:2, for instance, you're going to get a 9:16. This is also one of the fastest ways to move from Midjourney to Nijijourney. Copy a prompt, click the model button, and now you can change models very easily. And if you go into your Midjourney gallery, you'll see under My Images all of the images you've created on the app, making it super easy to jump back and forth between the app and the website. Now this is the website that just went live, and I'll do a video on the differences between the legacy website and this new improved Midjourney website. So there are a few limitations to the app. You can't as yet use the new upscalers in the app, but there is a way around this. You can go to the website, copy the job ID, then go into Discord, type /show, and paste the job ID. Now you have all the functionality of Midjourney or Nijijourney, including the upscalers. The / commands are also not supported in the app. So for instance, you can't use /shorten or /describe. Also missing is inpainting with Vary Region. So there you have it, the Midjourney Nijijourney app for your phone. It's sometimes hard to keep up with all the changes in AI image generation, so hit that subscribe button for all the latest updates. Midjourney is changing their website, and in future, you should be able to create images outside of Discord. But the future is here. You can create images outside of Discord in the Nijijourney app. So play with the app a little bit. It's free, so why not? Take advantage of the return of the free trial, and let us know what you think of the app in the comments below. This is Janet making the photo. Let's make something amazing together.